Do you want to know how you can log into your zmo.io account or zmo.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Zmo AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for zmo.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of AIMG creator, or else you can click on the second link. It will take you to zmo.ai, and to access it, go ahead and click generate AI images for free, and you can see it will lead you to this page. Go ahead and click create on any of these, and you can see sign up or login option. Go ahead and click on it. Now you have two options to sign in to your Zmo account. Either you can sign in with Google or your email address. If you try to choose your email address, go ahead and write down your email address in this box. Write down your password here and then click login. This way you can log in using your email address. If you want to log in using your Google and want to access Zmo, go ahead and click sign in with Google. Choose your email address, click confirm, and then you will be logged into your zmo.ai account. I hope this video about how you can log into your zmo.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.